Love showing you brand new homes. This is the Baker by Hulbert Homes. Now, I'm not going to tell you that this home was not named after Baker Mayfield. I'm not telling you that somebody from Hulbert Homes loves to cook or loves to bake. But you know what? You just be the judge of this. Let's take a look at the home, see if you like it. We're in Clubhouse Hills. Without further ado, let's go check it out. All right, featuring the Baker from Hulbert Homes here in Southeast Lakeland. We are under construction. We are getting ready to put the finishing touches on this one. This is a gated neighborhood right over off Clubhouse Road, Southeast Lakeland, over off Bartow Highway or 98 South. This whole area is growing. This community is an exclusive Hulbert Homes community. And you can see it just goes all the way down there to the cul-de-sac, comes back around. There's just a little over 20 lots in this community, so it's really nice, exclusively Hulbert. Let's go take a look at the Baker. Not the candlestick maker, but the Baker. All right, no more baking jokes. I promise, maybe. All right, let's take a look. So this is gonna have pavers. Use your imagination. You can see the beautiful siding on this is really, really nice. So this is getting ready for your family. All right, so when we first walk in, you're gonna have a couple bedrooms and a bath over here. The main part of the house is straight ahead. To the right's the laundry room. Give you an idea of what we're gonna do. Back left, primary suite. Off to the right, you've got an ensuite, which is actually pretty cool. So let's do this. To give you an idea of the flow of this home, I'm gonna walk right toward the front. And again, we're under construction. Take a look at the size of this room. If you can tell, closets here to the right. Big bedroom, could be an office, totally up to you, but it's a massive size room. Love the windows, the wood windowsills, ceiling fan. It's just gonna be a linen closet here. Nothing exciting to show you. And here you go. This is a nice size other bedroom. Again, this one's not too far away. Getting ready to put some countertops in. This is gonna be a full bath. You can see the beautiful cabinets. Tub shower combination. Tub is being covered up, but the tile they're doing all the way to the ceiling like they always do. Beautiful modern lights. You can see really some nice high touches. By the way, crown molding in the main area here, which is beautiful. Here's your laundry room. Big laundry room. Look at the size of that. Got cabinets, plenty of room for your washer and dryer there, even a window. This is to your 2-car garage. Nothing fancy there. It's a garage. Check out, this is gonna be a very cool kitchen. Look at this. Look how open this is. Love this. Different color here. Soft close. All the cabinets, the range. Have your fridge right in here. It's gonna have quartz countertops. You can see they make all the different notes of everything, where your range is gonna go. Here it is. Here it is built out, if you wanna see that. See your pantries to the right here, and then you got the island. These are really, really nice. Drop your dishwasher, your sink. Gonna have the trash bins. If you ever wanna see what the top of the trash bins looks like without the cabinets, guess what? It's trash bins. Pretty basic. And they'll put the granite sink over here. But this is really all soft close again, so all upgraded. Nice size dining area. Beautiful chandelier, fixture I should say. Look at that. Is that not cool looking? I don't know, kind of looks like a football to me a little bit. I see a little bit of football angles in that, do you? I'm not saying it looks like a football, but just some of the different, it's the Baker. Yeah, hey, what you make of it is what it's gonna be. Double windows, cathedral ceilings here, all these canned lights, so plenty of natural light. Big living room area. French doors heading into the lanai. They haven't begun on that yet. Let's go take a look at the primary suite. It's a nice size primary suite. Again, I love the pitch ceilings. They'll have a ceiling fan up there. Big area, and then the master bath is really nice. Double sinks. Same cabinets as in the other bathroom. You've got the lighting up here. Beautiful step-in shower. Love the dark tile. Again, we don't have power here yet, so it's a little bit hard to see, but look at this. It's got a texture to it. It's very pretty. Turn on your shower here. Okay, and then this is, love the different color tile. Okay, and then they'll have some type of a piece of glass up here so you don't get it splashed. Here is your toilet room, water closet, fancy name. Tub right here. Very nice, gonna have a feature tub and then a massive walk-in closet. Okay, it's gonna have LVP flooring, luxury vinyl plank flooring. So it says vinyl, not the cheap vinyl, but the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Very nice. And this closet kicks on around here. A little hard to tell, it's dark in here. They're storing some stuff, but that is gonna be a nice size walk-in closet. Now, something that surprised me on this home, oh, by the way, let me show you this. If you'd like to have a big screen hung up here, you can. You got your power cable or just use your Wi-Fi, stream it. But what the surprise was is over here. Was not sure what to expect over here. And sure enough, voila. Look at this, ensuite. Bedroom, bathroom right here. Could be a great guest suite. Teenage, mother-in-law, father-in-law, walk-in shower. Beautiful. And then this has even got the walk-in closet. Not bad. Not bad at all. So you've seen the Baker before. Any flooring, cabinets, or countertops have gone in. Now this is gonna have a nice size lanai. I'm not gonna go out there because it's a little muddy. We had rain. But you can see this is under truss, so it's not an add-on. This is gonna be really pretty. It'll be pavers all the way around here, which is really nice. So open floor plan, little over 2,250 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, right here in Clubhouse Hills. Hope you've enjoyed the tour. I'll show it to you again once we're all completed and wrapped up. Now you too have experienced the Baker with Hulbert Homes under construction, probably about 6 to 8 weeks away at the most. Would love to show you this home when it's completed. You can get on a list with me and I'd love to show it to you. Fantastic location. Publix is right up the road. If you enjoyed this home tour, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. I drop home tours all the time of new homes, used homes, condos, waterfront properties. You name it, I put it on this channel, which is really fun, by the way. I have another YouTube channel I'm gonna shamelessly plug. We just started. It's called Living in Central Florida by Brian Stevens. It's a newer channel. You're gonna see homes not just in the Lakeland area, but in all of Central Florida that we actually do videos on. So subscribe to that channel too. And most importantly, if you have a real estate need, please contact me below. All my contact information. Would love to serve you and your family. God bless. Have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian.